In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix hover boxes. We will be working inside the Wix Editor. And by the end, you'll know how to add a hover box switch between its two states, customize what visitors see, and fine-tune the interactive effect so it looks polished on your site. To get started, open your site in the Wix Editor. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. From there, go to Interactive and then click Hover Boxes. Wix will show you a selection of pre-made hover box templates. Choose one that fits the style of your page, then drag and drop it onto your site. Now, one of the most important things to understand is that every hover box has two separate views, and you need to edit both of them individually. The regular view is what visitors see by default when they first land on your site. The hover view is what appears when someone moves their mouse over the box. To switch between these views, click on the hover box. Then use the floating toolbar to select either regular or hover from the state drop-down menu. Start by customizing the regular state. Make sure the hover box is set to regular. Then click Change Background or Change Image to add your main visual content. You can also double-click on existing elements, such as a heading, to change the font, size, or color. This is the version users will see first, so keep it clear and visually balanced. Next, switch to the hover state. This is where you define what happens when a visitor interacts with the box. You can update the content already there, or add new elements specifically for the hover view. To do that, click Add to Hover in the top left menu, or use the Add Elements panel to place things like a button or an icon. This is a great place to add extra information or a call to action without cluttering the default view. Once both states look the way you want, it's time to fine-tune the interactive effect. Click the hover box and choose Manage Interactions, or Hover Interaction. Then click Choose Effect to open the gallery of preset animations, such as fade, slide, or zoom. Select the one you like, and click Play to preview it. If you want more control, open Timing in the Settings panel to adjust the duration, delay, and easing of the transition. When everything is set, click Preview in the top right corner of the editor. Move your mouse over the hover box and make sure both states look and behave exactly as intended. Once you are happy with the result, click Publish to make it live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.